Akufadu ohwie poto. Oye niema na enye. But see here, me say so oye former president. I will never allow anybody as I sit here to castigate him. Muni ma me catch. Once I say me body do am tom wase.
Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frɛ me Addo searching. Ebusuafo ye bisa say eye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama we hwe egu ana. Ofeli anase oyade. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana photo abama no a obeye president ni 2 years e na oremi. Na kamya kwa say Ghana fo bebre aye disappointed. Ehu ne ka kire mo se da. Na Captain Smart a journalist na oye journalist baako a abra the former president na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ete so no. Je say ode ne tena ne studio eye ni dirty a meka say ebi nsi gida kra. Na Captain Smart eka say esan say na Addo na membu eye west nti no. Ese say ye yini din kra efri eye former president a omo abetina Ghana akondwa so. Captain Smart said all these things ewa bra the former president na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo eye president. Na de ya wa we ni say Ghana fo ya de abeka say omo hu omo ehu pa ba fi no omo enfi. Sometimes no ase abembu eba abembi oteso no ebi anyama 1 or 2 bi obeye no na amana ne hu ayebufu. And it doesn't mean say Ghana for be supporting aban fofra Ghana for any enda ho. Na Captain Smart ekeka ensem wo nyina no say Ghana for so atene dey Ghana for ebisa Captain Smart say Addo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama our company man die mu odin 2024 no we hwe egu ana ntina ende obo eye His Excellency the former president and Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo na ba o say den ntina Ghana for eka say Captain Smart say aside the former president na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne worst performance or performing no wa be former president etifie no ontimi endi na temeda anase na no enti aneda because wa be former president. Yente say Captain Smart kan ni ebeti de edi echi.
Akufadu ohwie poto. Oye niema na enye. But see here, me say so oye former president. I will never allow anybody as I sit here to castigate him. Muni ma me catch. Once I say me body do am tom wase. Because whether good or bad, he led this nation. When he was in office, I could have said anything. But now he's a former leader. That respect must be accorded him. Bam. Now, whether we like it or not, he's a statesman. So whatever that you are saying about him, you must be a bit decorous. Because he will wear that to wherever he will go in the name of this country. That is why I never back because I know Pentecost a chere me say kendifo a we wie na dwuma de ye de obuo ne anidie e na ma no. Nti him share Pentecost for your retired pastor or apostle. Hey, I have a different respect for that person. Pacho Nanado ni PhD way.
Please stay where you are.
Munchemi.
Please stay where you are.
Nanado ni PhD way.
Please stay where you are.
Or the College of the Inns, UK. And Nana Craig Watchman Rollins across sorry Brazil campaign against Nanado say, well, call law school be out from my friend the kind. Oh, yeah, no, Nikunu Bay and Nanado. Adampo.
Of morning shows.
Please stay where you are.
Ebusuafo ensem when a Captain Smart ababe kanel na Ghana fu bi etrese captain o ye hypocrite. Say when who say na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama failure no failing. Ni 2 years na we remi. In fact, ye hu hwe wo Ghana ha. Captain Smart oye nipa aside oye journalist on kan okware no oye nipa. O feel de adwumayefo ekom. O feel de kokko akuafo ekom. O feel yes citizens now even though yen ya abanjuma but yet to light it's your water bill no o feel my but kana onti nka e no de akofa na Addo ne so say na Addo onti ndi na temeda because why a former president na Ghana for edge na wo say kana kware no because echneno enim da ho ayembo nche. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama were failing. Ne 4 years afe na obetwa 2 years but enyema enko yie. Say ya de toto eye the former president now don Kwakufa do ho na now do meye president that. The first time I will buy office eye January 2016 aye de ni si akondwa so no. Yehu ha wa na enyema si epic enyema esi enrun it say COVID-19 buy. Agana fu nya de mo no James na nado eye the worst president. John Dramani Mahama be president da. In fact, or a vice president, and the president will obedi nade. Obedi nade yes aso to abama. The second time yes wanya de na sake no. Anka wa be ni so be fufuro. But then they Ghana force dollar rate akofem. Fuel prices eswatete. These are the only two things Ghana for HSA John Dramani Mahama ebone ho modern. But more abrochi kwala na mu hit no. Ye na yete Ghana ha na ye feel. Se fuel prices eswate. Dollar rate no abefem stabilizing. Na se niema enko ya ye bisa se John Dramani Mahama the best president ana. Na aside dollar no ena ni amembu dollar ni amembu dollar penny amembu ana because I don't think madness. Dollar any penny amembu because dollar no stabilizing. John Dramani Mahama man dollar rate no akofem na sidi na nya hoden. That is all. And he's the best president. In a situation whereby edumayefo omo aketu and buy students omo allowance omo etwem nurses omo allowance omo etwem chese kokwaku afusu ene bibia ye basane bisa se dollar ene amembu na screen ensaba Ghana for e catch captain smart no na ebu screen ene no nti Ghana for HS captain eyede because oye hypocrite opese oboda nado na banso ntimi nka na ode afa
ni dwomama ya betena ho woni atofo se aboyi on betena ho ye de ye ba kokofo no kura de ye bema koko ni bia ne ma ne na busuamfo nyina free health insurance ye tue obi aka ya sa kukuru koko price de akọ ama Ghana fo nyina akuafo ma bebrebe obi ni age se o ye MPP fo ne mwa ye fo mko ne mfa NDC fo mra ntima ba mun fasika ni bi nkoma mo da bi magini muntuo mo ka na mu diskane to toka man kwasiafo freedom fighter kwasia ye okobo nurse fo ya muntua nurse fo ka matam sika poli over $200 akoto Benz mi no amasa raf kwasia mpanyi so mfa won futuro nyansa ben pa ne
ene me pese say dim komobi yeti kura aban na to all social media influencers and media houses in Ghana akese ni nyina almost every media house be gonna be a nipa aban man position enti timamufo no bre a ebre no reportage bi eni ho media house bi enti me report obi enti me nka hwe esanse obi afroma boma obi nipa yi baako e de akwa baby so all those media houses Joy Peace FM, UTV, all those big media houses no baby abeko bia yi obi nipa akwa baby nti obi afroma boma wontimi nkasa na enwanwa se UTAC, SETAC, TUSAC, JUSAC, these people are on strike and so be anka ho asem. Obi akrante, obi se UTAC, TUSAC ne de etre kra san ye de ade. Obi mpo nima de kro. These people are on strike. They have not been paid and they are on strike. But a man from po and report here. Media house being who wedi hon komo. Obi anka ho hwe. Security services 12 months allowance. Nini na mai obi anka ho hwe. Nurses 11 months salary allowance. Mai obi anka ho hwe. Media houses are quiet. Now, e show of months na aye ntime enyame nwanwa bebree. But we will talk and we will let the people know what is going on in Ghana. This is the reality of the Ghana we know today. The cocoa farmers have not been paid. Teachers have not been paid their salary for 15 good months. Inflation, inflation above from. Inflation above from Timiankasa. Coca is $1 at Teso. Timiankasa. Cocoa for Intiomuka. Teacher.
Na me say Jimmy in the door so na my to san kwasi aba no But and somewhere sankrofo we kaya no. So what dream no part to say you will fall for them. So now I'm beginning to feel a little bit sympathy for Ghanaians. But emre konimu no Ghana for nabi. This is what they said. I see our manifesto, and they said all this in their manifesto to convince the cocoa farmers. Not to force in Namha. Now can some enemy 70 million, you have 40 million, you have 80 million, you have 200 million, you be say, and the crafolo fele say, a bina also a first and another of my abino, a boom quasia. Yes, it's a ponchani if you swasiba. Now, I'll be catching us or denchimowa, igniting, baby. Adintia. The America of one folly so much for them, they say, and yet don't man Haman quent you. Name at force your parliament, and we a former finance minister, 10 years back. And Tina make us say this time, me feel so small sympathy with the microphone. Although, do don't want you more hardy, now so. Any say, baby, and I didn't free banner. They think say a true. And one would say a bino, I have friends and another cook for MPP a bino, a boom questia. Baby, I mean, feel sympathy more who's almost said, I don't know from Renians and off from say. A bino were 4.5. No, they call 31 million. From 4.5 to 31 million. What's this about way you come for? Now, when me and me say, so now you're not just so be and Quasianka, I want me to free was for him to do the entry. And fashion to me said another moment at the time on Coco is so by you. Nanado, I can't check your force, I take Coco, Tico Coso. Fashion trim. And about being or about better could you also go for another I Yamaso, Coco, Yentum, and I enter so. Or the catcher will say, I about Mahama Mamuno, Yebema, Obibia, Ukanibia, or you could go Kanibia hospital in the I'm actually free. Can we not be adding you? Can you be adding? A queer folk go for us and all my name. Bind to me show, name provide you. Nanado, a bind by idea, and my queer phone, me, baby, I make us say, me feel sympathy on American, America can be a film out. I'm who say a queer for and a Ghana for ye greedy. Ghana nipper and make out me. We are so greedy. The Ghana Nique bien so any. For the first time in history, our Ghana Bakosim, there is no government, and I repeat, no government, I repeat, there is no government, our Kuku, I thought that, as in another number one, I bind another Mamu pen or day, as you say, by or yeah, Nesri. Saturday not all employees now from say Nakufono. Now or no Muko no share on my Nesri sooner. Or yeah, Nesri. We are what open your hands of us. What Mausika Addo phone Ebu Ashi. We are what the Nesri na brew. Now on one side be Diamau 10 years. We are was somehow 10 million per acre. Sikase bus afibia fado home. Listen to me. Owia was somehow boardie. I bet me a so funny na. Se wo for 1,000 acres. Ubenya boardie 1,000 acres. Boardie. Se wo for 5 acres, 10 acres, 20 acres. Abano se boardie udia boardie onde yinkwa because kuku asase bia ye boardie yi. Obi feed you boardie. Na enije se wo mu ni se boardie ne ba utwa ni nyina ton afa adi na owia afeso a wasan ma each acre bia 10 million extra boardie no because enne me se boardie udua eteki afi ansa na boardie na ba enti ontimi nka se o transfer wa for sika do ho odo ho ka body na ba no ko beka se we na waton body ndia ka for body ne den eye papa ne sen ma osika ni nyina mu no o san provide a dry the boss e provide fertilizer akuya form wo man Ghana mu dudu no a anyemu na dudu no a ye so greedy to the extent say omu fi sadi we nyina e wo bra na enche yo omu kwa omu de omu activities no na ye ongoing every year bia na nya activities obeye ne ba kope na ka se bia oyeye no na owura afie kokoo ni bia no e continue every year every time bia unye kokoo ni bia no de hia se we ko ministry ho. But John Dramani Mahama ne sankrofo ya ko yere take advantage of noble people now must be adwene mu from na sabi nyansa ne wo from akra no on take advantage of them. Kokoko for no ye wo mo mako university awie ye wo mo nim ma bobra e wo sikati tiro me kokofo ye wo anyansafo a won nkoto ba ma John Dramani Mahama because they know him. But I come na do maka ho nti na ya feel sympathy with mom